Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to get an embed code for videos stored in Google Drive. Are you looking to share your cherished video content on a website or blog, but not sure how to embed videos stored in Google Drive? This video is here to guide you through that process, ensuring you can effortlessly display your videos to a wide audience. Whether you're a blogger wanting to enrich your posts or a teacher looking to share educational content, getting an embed code from Google Drive is a handy skill. So, let's delve into the steps you need to follow, making it as easy as possible. First and foremost, ensure your video is safely stored in Google Drive. If your video isn't already uploaded, you'll need to start by uploading it to Google Drive. Once you've done that, you'll find the video listed among your files in Google Drive. This is the starting point for our tutorial, as having the video in Google Drive is essential for generating the embed code. With your video in Google Drive, it's time to adjust some settings to facilitate sharing. Right-click on your video file and select the Share option. This is an important step, as it determines who can view your video once it's embedded. To make sure your video is accessible to anyone with the link, change the access setting to Anyone with the link and set them as a viewer. This ensures that anyone who has the embed code can view the video without restrictions. Next, we need to open the video in a new window. To do this, double-click on your video in Google Drive to open the preview screen. In the top right corner, you should see a pop-out icon. Clicking this icon will open the video in a separate window, which gives us access to more options. If the icon is hard to locate, simply click on the three dots representing more actions, and from the drop-down menu, select Open in New Window. This step is crucial because the new window is where we will find the option to get our embed code. Now that you have the video open in a new window, you're just a few clicks away from obtaining the embed code. Look towards the menu bar and click on File. Then, select Share, followed by Get Embed Link. Once you choose Embed Item, a box will appear with the HTML code you need. This code is formatted as a frame, which is what you'll use to embed the video on your website. Carefully highlight and copy this code, as it is the final step before embedding the video on your web page. And there you have it. You can now paste the copied HTML code into your website or blog, wherever you wish your video to appear. While embedding a video from Google Drive might initially seem challenging, following these steps makes it a straightforward process. So go ahead and share your video content, knowing it will be seamlessly embedded within your web pages. That's it for this tutorial on how to get an embed code for videos stored in Google Drive. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.